Where is my simple one Gen 1.5? So many comments were asking me, where is my Gen 1.5? Where is it? Have I sold my Gen 1.5? Have I exchanged it? Have I given it back to the service center? What is the whole story? So in this video I will tell you in detail, so stay tuned. This is gonna be a most detailed video about my Gen 1.5 to Gen 2. The answer to this question, where is my Gen 1.5, is that yes, I have sold it officially, and this is my new ride, which is the Gen 2. And now you will be asking me, why did you sell it? There will be questions like, we Gen 1.5 owners will not get the update, or what is the case? Don't worry, I will answer everything.
रुको जरा, सबर करो.
Now the shift from Gen 1.5 to Gen 2 was mainly because it is an upgrade, right? So my main motive was like, okay, the Gen 2 has more refinement, more features, the single battery setup, more range, the overall new aspect of this bike, the chassis is lighter, and it is a complete new generation shift, so from 1.5 to Gen 2. So I felt it was a better deal of going to the Gen 2, because of which I shifted and thought of, let's shift to the Gen 2. And yeah, and I am very glad that I made this decision, because I am very much happy with my Gen 2. So you all know that I have been creating this simple one content since a very long time, since I got the Gen 1.5, and I made all possible videos, and thanks to all of you who gave me a very good response, and I'm glad that I was able to clear most of the doubts which you all requested, or any queries which you all had. I was able to clear them. And even if you all have still any doubts, you all can drop it in the comments. In the description there is my Telegram channel, okay, where we have all the Simple One owners all across India, and the wannabe Simple One owners as well. You all can just come and join. The group is open for everyone. You can join, the link is in the bio. Okay, so you all know that I am creating this Gen simple videos. So I did create a lot of videos on the Gen 1.5. Now I thought the Gen 2 was an upgrade for me, and the main reason which I thought was I will be able to commit to you all about creating more content with respect to the Gen 2 and the transition from 1.5 to the Gen 2. And yes, that was the main goal of upgrading to Gen 2. So the previous Gen 1.5 was very amazing, and I will never deny that. But there's a thing, right, कि अगर कोई पुरानी चीज़ का नया अवतार आ जाए, you always tempt to go to that upgraded version of the particular thing. So I'll tell you about my Nissan Magnite. So you all know this Magnite, we had it from 2021. That's the 2021 variant. But then last year I just facelifted it to the 2024 variant from the front end, because rear end is the same. So same ideology is over here. In a simple one case, I just got the Gen 2 direct. Yes, the Gen 2 content is going to be very crazy, and it is going crazy. You all are giving me very good response to my Gen 2 or my Neptune 2.0, and I'm very much thankful to that. Very thank you for watching my videos, showing so much love. Okay, so I have seen that many of you all have still not subscribed to my channel. I would request you, humble request, to do subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it is over here, Drive with Vedang, and you all will get every detail of not only about the Simple One, but all other EVs, especially my cars, so that you all get educated about everything. I make sure to make and share more and more knowledge which I have, and I would love to gain more and more knowledge which you guys have, and I'm definitely very sure that you guys have much more knowledge than me. So this was a quick short update from the transition of 1.5 to Gen 2. So till then, drive safe, ride safe, make sure to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and like this video and share it to your friends and family. Till then, bye bye. So here, let's see a beautiful sunset.